There's new firmware. It's called V01040701. You wanted to get in on the firmware, you had to sign up for it. It's betaware offered by a staff member, an R&D team member. We, the people, you, me, anybody else who signed up, will get the firmware to test out and share to the world what it's about. So what is this new firmware? Oh, the people complaining about video HDR being on all the time, wanting it to be corrected, the colors in the sky of the clouds to show definition. Before I going to download the firmware, I asked my questions when I signed up for it. Will we get the old firmware as well as the new firmware via email so we can go back and forth if we all own a single camera? If you own two cameras, it's great that you can update one and leave the other to do your comparison shots. Now we don't have that option at all, or never given the email, but we have to contact the company again for the downgrade, the reversion. I must hold my trust in DJI and Teo for getting me the downgraded version to the app so I can go back to V01030210. But he'll probably give me V0103.03550. 97 votes, new firmware, and probably mixed emotions that people gotta fix. And now we're all going to be stuck with this fix and be released. More or less, my camera has been matured. Well, you know, the Action 5 Pro has firmware, and we're all like beta testers already. So we are offered now an unofficial personal release firmware, betaware. And guess if you want to keep with it, there's nothing else more you can do. You're with it, and that's it. Now to get back original firmware, you're going to have to wait and wait and wait. If it happens, great. Let me read what version 1040701 is about. Optimize the color tone of high dynamic range scenes to enhance the color performance. Now, the second bullet or number is extend the file naming format. The digital suffix is increased from A99 to A999 and fix some known issues. You may feel that you need to update this because it's supposed to take care of the HDR on and off. Well, I did a good job telling everybody about the new firmware, what I like and not like to do, and I'm not forced to download it and try it. But if you want to be that tester for DJI, then they need to do it the right way. I hope you can make a decision for yourself what is right to do for you or wrong. But I feel that I am going forward with what I want to do. And on that note, I'm Fish. I hope you enjoyed the new firmware coming out to you from DJI. Thank you for viewing.